Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set a background off a USB device. Maybe it's an image or something like that that's connected to your Xbox Series X. And it's very easy to do. So transfer over some images from your computer or your phone to a USB device and plug it into the front slot of the Xbox Series X. Go to General, go to Personalization, go to My Background right here, select this, and then go to Custom Image. Then we can see our USB device located here. We can go to Xbox Captures or Game DVR or whatever folder you have your screenshot in. So I think mine's under Xbox Captures. I just transferred over some images here. And this one says it's too big. So it's got to be under 5 MB. So it's got to be a relatively small image for it to actually be used on here. So you can actually store images on your Xbox, or you used to be able to at least. I don't really see anything under my pictures anymore. It says my folder is empty. But if you have a small enough file size for your screenshot, you can transfer that over to your Xbox. So you can see this one is 7.38. That's just a screenshot on my Xbox, so that one is too large. Now you can go over to the section where it says screenshots, and you can set a screenshot as your background too on your Xbox. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.